Understanding frequencies. White noise versus brown noise. Noise is a term that is often associated with unwanted sound or background noise, but in the context of audio and signal processing, it refers to any random and unpredicted signal. In this article, we'll be discussing two types of noise signals: white noise and brown noise. We'll take a look at their definitions, key differences, and a few interesting facts about each, as well as some other historical context and practical applications. Let's get started with white noise. The definition of white noise. White noise is a type of noise that has a constant energy per hertz and is equally distributed across all frequencies. It is often described as a hissing or static noise, as it sounds like white snow on a television set with no signal. White noise was first described by mathematician John W. Tukey in the 1940s. It has been widely used in various fields, including telecommunications, audio and video engineering, and signal processing. White noise is sometimes used as a type of masking noise to help people fall asleep. It can also be used to test audio equipment and speakers to determine their frequency response. White noise can be used in audio production to add texture and depth to sound. In statistics, white noise is often used to model a random process. In physics, white noise is used to describe a random and uncorrelated signal. Brown noise. The definition of brown noise, also known as Brownian noise, is a type of noise that has a power spectrum that decreases by 3 decibels per octave. It is named after botanist Robert Brown, who discovered the random movement of particles in a fluid known as Brownian motion. Brown noise was first described by mathematician Paul Levy in the 1930s. It has been widely used in various fields, including physics, engineering, and even in finance. Brown noise is often used as a type of masking noise to help people with tinnitus, as the lower frequencies are less abrasive than the white noise. In sound design, brown noise is sometimes used to create the sound of wind, rain, and thunder. In mathematics, brown noise is used to model a random process that changes more slowly than white noise. Comparing white noise and brown noise. The key difference between white noise and brown noise is their frequency spectrum. White noise is flat across all frequencies, while brown noise decreases in amplitude as the frequency increases. This means that white noise has more high frequency content and is considered brighter, while brown noise has more low frequency content and is considered darker. So why use one noise or sound over the other? The choice between white noise and brown noise depends on the specific use case. For example, white noise is often used for testing and troubleshooting audio equipment, while brown noise is used as a type of masking noise to help people sleep or reduce tinnitus. In sound design, white noise can be used to create a sense of space and texture, while brown noise can be used to create natural sounds like wind and rain. Both white noise and brown noise are both important signals in the field of audio and signal processing, and each has its own unique properties and uses. Understanding these signals and the differences between them can help you make more informed decisions when selecting noise signals for your specific needs. The range of frequencies that humans can hear, also known as the audio frequency range, is typically considered to be between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. This range of frequencies can be used for a variety of purposes, including communication, music, and sound effects. According to data from the World Health Organization, the average hearing range for young adults is between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. However, the range of frequencies that individuals can hear can vary widely based on factors such as age, noise exposure, and genetics. For example, as individuals age, their ability to hear higher frequencies decreases, with the average range for adults over 65 years old being between 25 and 14,000 Hz. In the field of music, frequencies within the human audio range can be used to create a variety of sounds and musical instruments. For example, the bass guitar produces frequencies in the lower range of the audio spectrum, while the cymbals produce frequencies in a higher range. In addition, the range of frequencies that humans can hear can be used to produce sound effects in film, television, and in video games. In the field of communication, frequencies within the human audio range can be used to transmit speech and other audio signals. For example, telephones use a range of frequencies between 300 Hz and 3,400 Hz to transmit speech signals. In addition, the human audio range is used in the design of hearing aids, headphones, and loudspeakers to ensure that they can produce sounds within the range of human hearing. To end this video, the range of frequencies that humans can hear, or the audio frequency range, plays a crucial role in many aspects of our daily lives, from music and sound effects to telecommunication and hearing aids. Understanding this range and how it can be used to help us make informed decisions about the audio technologies we use and interact with sounds, whether that be white noise and or brown noise. I really hope this video gave you some information on both white noise and brown noise, and also gave you a better understanding of frequencies within the human range of hearing. I thank you all for watching. Please give this video a like, please share, and please subscribe. We're using all type of methods and techniques to become untoxic and get rid of all toxicity and the toxicity in the environment around us together. Thank you, and until next time, stay